देखो, हंसेंगे तो लोग, ये आप डिसाइड कर लो कि आपको वो हंसी अब बर्दाश्त करनी है या 2 साल बाद। आप इनमें से क्या फॉलो। हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम अमन। दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी अबाउट इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग skills. Okay, I'm not a certified trainer, but yeah, I do want to share some tips with you which I used to do to learn English, and I still do many of them, and they are really helpful. Okay, so this video is going to be very real and honest video because I do want to share my personal experience regarding this. Okay, the first thing I used to do was participate in more and more things in which I get a chance to be a public speaker. I used to participate in competitions and speeches in my college time because that was the time when I realized that I can do this. So yeah, that was the time when I started participating in more and more in public speaking. Many of my college friends would definitely know this, that I used to participate in all of that stuff, and it really helped me a lot. In the initial stage I really got nervous many times, but yeah, if we should just try and speak. I really used to be afraid a lot. I used to make mistakes. I used to make a lot of mistakes at the time, and many people used to laugh at me. They mocked me many times. देखो, हंसेंगे तो लोग, ये आप डिसाइड कर लो कि आपको वो हंसी अब बर्दाश्त करनी है या 2 साल बाद बर्दाश्त करनी है या 10 साल बाद बर्दाश्त करनी है। कभी ना कभी तो करनी पड़ेगी। अगर आप कुछ सीख रहे हैं तो डेफिनेटली गलतियां तो हो गई। सो probably if somebody laughs at you when you're learning something, the fault आप में नहीं है, fault उनमें है जो like आपको mock कर रहे हैं। बट आप अगर कुछ नया सीख रहे हैं then your spirit is perfectly fine, you are going on the right track, just continue that. You are learning something new, and if you're making mistakes, it's just absolutely fine, nothing is wrong in that. Okay, then one most important thing that really worked for me is that I started reading books. Not only books, I used to read each and everything, whatever I get, either that's a pamphlet or an advertisement or there's any quote and wonderful quote wherever. I used to read newspapers as well. Don't get me wrong, I was never interested in books, neither am I now. But I read them because I knew one thing, that if you want to learn something that you don't know and you're not good at, then I would rather learn it from somebody who is good at it or who owns it, who has a very good command over it. And yes, who better than English authors can do that. Apart from that, I do read a lot on internet also. I still do that. I do follow many pages which provide wonderful stuff, including poetry and some short stories. I really love to read them. Also, if ever I see a good word, I just keep a check on that and add that to my dictionary. I use that word nearly about 4 to 5 times, then I just remind it. See, the thing to note here is that what works for me may really not work for you. So you have your own ways to understand words and to learn them. Which I told you now is the way I used to learn the words. You can apply your own ways. Okay, so the next tip which I used to do was observing people whose English I used to like a lot. So I watched a lot of interviews of celebrities and many public speakers and many politicians who had a good command over English. It's not only that I used to listen their English, I also used to observe their body language as well. The movement of their hands, the movement of their eyes, everything I used to notice, and definitely the accent. The thing I used to like a lot about them is that they speak English so naturally. They were so fluent. They never used to impress people by their English. They use just minimum possible words to express the idea whatever they want to say and move on. And that is something which I think I have picked from them. You may have a very good command over your language, whether it is Hindi or English, but having a good command over communication is a different ballgame altogether. Okay, you may be very good at your technical aspects of English, but unless you are able to convey your thoughts, unless you are able to express yourself, your communication is always going to stay poor. Okay, one creepy thing that I often do, and I wish you never see me doing that, is that I speak to myself a lot. A lot, a lot. I very often speak to myself. Most of the time, I actually have to look around that nobody is watching me. So, yeah, I would say speak to yourself sometimes. That could actually help you as a practice. Okay, if you find weird to do that, don't do that. But I do it because I like it, and I'm telling you because I'm being really honest with you. Okay, one nice habit that you can inculcate is that you can start solving exercises in English. I used to do that, but now I have stopped it. There are several books available in the market that can definitely help you with that. And there are also many online websites also available, very good websites. I have tried many of them, in which you can solve English exercises that can really help you a lot. Okay, so start doing that. It's really good. Okay, so there are some perks of speaking English is that you're getting compliments at a very initial stage. Even if you are at level of like 10 or 20%, then also people start noticing you. Initially, when people started to complimenting me about my English, inside I used to laugh because I was really far away from being perfect, and still I'm much far away from being perfect. But yeah, you don't need to be really good at English for receiving compliments. And the moment you start getting compliments about something is a solid motivation. I think I have spoke a lot today, but I hope all these tips would definitely help you. मुझे नहीं पता आप इनमें से क्या फॉलो करोगे क्या नहीं, बट या जो भी मैंने बताया, आई हैव एक्चुअली डन ऑल दिस थिंग्स एंड दे हैव डेफिनेटली पेड मी बैक. जो भी मैंने आपको बताया, दैट इज आई हैव डन दैट ऑल दोज थिंग्स विद द कंसिस्टेंसी. बिकॉज अगर आपको मसल्स भी बनानी है, देन यू हैव टू गो टू जिम डेली और यू हैव टू वर्क आउट एवरी डे. Then only you can have fit body and muscles and abs. So yeah, same is the case with English. अगर आप हर रोज practice करेंगे, you have to be consistent with all these things. Then only you can have a good command over this language. एक चीज़ जो मैं आपको अंत में बोलना चाहूँगी is that you have to stay consistent over it. ठीक है, इसके लिए कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है. बिकॉज अगर ये चीज़ अच्छी है, देन यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड फॉर इट. एंड हाँ, इसको बर्डन मत बनाओ. Enjoy this path, enjoy this journey. So before I say goodbye, I would ask you to consider subscribing and please hit the bell icon so you can stay updated with my new video. Bye bye. Take care of you and your family.